Hey everyone, I'm back with another pin opening video, but this time around it's not a pin pack. I have some mystery pin boxes for Monsters University, and once again these were picked up for me by my dear friend Nicole. And once again, thank you so much. This is like a pin collection that I wanted to have for the longest time. So I'm really happy that I can open them right now. Yeah, and that's why I have 3 of these, not 1. Okay, so I kinda opened up the boxes already. Let's maybe pull them out. These are in blind boxes too. Oh, and here are the designs that you can get. So I really love all of these. Obviously, I really love the movie. So yeah. If I had to choose, then my least favorite would be the pig. It's kind of weird that they chose to make the monster pig pin instead of another character, but oh well, she's cute too, or maybe he. And the ones that I really want to get are the most is Don. I think the pin is so cute. Look at him. I really want him. And art too. I have a kind of a little art collection. So here is the figurine, and I have also a plushie. Hey, I just love him. He's my favorite new monster from the sequel. So yeah, him. And then obviously Mike. I love him. He's my favorite from the old monsters. And Sally too. Can't get Mike without Sally. And Randall. He was so cute in the sequel. So yeah. These 5 are my favorites. Let's hope we can get some of these. But these are also really nice. 1 and 2. So it's a win-win situation. So yeah, let's get started with the first pack. It's this one. Box. Okay, I won't fill them. I want to have a total surprise. And the first one is, oh my gosh. It's the big one. The big one. Oh, nice. So I like the colors. And it looks so funny. Oh my gosh. Like it doesn't know what is going on. And so shiny again. One of the most shiny pins that I got this far, that I opened this far. Okay, so here's the pig. And this one, who is it gonna be? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's Johnny. So the mean one. He's so nice too. I mean, the pin. And I like his big smile. And him in general. He kinda reminds me of Gaston. With the colors, no? And his big horns look nice too. Okay, so we have these 2. Not bad, like I said, I love all of these. So not complaining. And if I get doubles, it's okay too. I will have some for trade with some European Disney pin traders, I hope. So it's nice. I kinda wish I had at least 1 double. Because I would like to pin trade, but like not 3 doubles or 4. Okay, who is it? Yes! Oh my gosh! Yes, you guys! Yes, it's Art! Oh, look at him with his little hands! Yes! Sorry, I'm too excited! Yes! Okay. So here, next to his brother, oh my gosh! Who is it gonna be? Yay! I'm on a roll already. Okay, who is it? Ah, Squishy. So yeah, another new one, so that's nice. One moment. So I really kinda want Dawn because they would go together. He's cute too. Such a nice shape. Love it. Oh my gosh, you guys, they are all different. And here, okay, who is it gonna be? Maybe someone from the main tree or Dawn. Sorry for my accent. Oh my gosh, not the best. I know. Okay, or maybe a double, a nice double would be nice. And yes! Sorry for my voice again. Oh my gosh, it must be annoying. Yes, it's Mike. You guys, it's Mike. I'm so happy. Look at him. Yes. My favorite monster ever. Oh my gosh. Yes. So happy right now. Okay, okay. I'm calming down. Yes. Oh, so nice. So if I have a double, it will be only one. That would be awesome. But maybe it's not a double. We'll see. Ah, it is a double. Oh, that's nice. Because like I said, I kind of wanted one. So I can pin trade. And it's art. Or maybe I can keep them and have two. Like I said, I love them. I don't know. But nice. That's one of the not the common ones, so I think it would be a nice trader. Yay! Okay, so let's have a closer look. What did I got? Yay! I'm so happy that I got art and two. Oh my gosh, and Mike. Yes, I'm so happy about Mike, you guys. And how there's not so many doubles, only one. That's super cool too. So yeah, I'm so happy with this opening. Look at them. So nice and scary together. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching, and thank you so much Nicole once again for all these pins. I'm so glad that you could find them. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and all of the other ones. Thank you for watching guys. See ya!